Like, please call me?
Hi. Hello? Did it say my name? Did it sing my name? Did you say? Portal in this location. Is it in the closet? I said it's fucking creepy. That thing just totally said that.
Well, yeah.
I agree. It's effing creepy.
It was creepy.
You got Is Scott? Anybody know any Scott? Anybody got a Scott? Jerry? Do you need any help?
Credit. Okay.
Wait. What is your name? Did it say name? What is your first name?
Rick?
Who's Rick? Is he dead? Are you here to protect her? Yeah, go ahead. What did you need to say? You're excused. You can speak. Answer? What is the answer? Spirits? Are you looking forward to our cleansing? What? What? What is your purpose here? He did it? Who did what? Whoa. We're listening to you. We want to hear your message. Yeah, come on and talk. Oh, come here. What's that?
Dude.
Yeah, I can hear you, dude. What do you need? Do you need help? Are you having trouble coming through? Maybe. We want to hear you. We want to give you your voice. Damn. That one yelled at me. How many spirits are in here? Three. No, that was class A and a half. How many are positive? So can that one help me remove the rest of the negativity? I can help. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for offering your help. It said oh too.
What?
The hell is all this? This is average every day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys see what I'm holding? It's to catch.
It sounded kind of like that.
That's what I heard. Can you say something nice to the family? Well, can you say it now? What? What did I say? Story. Okay, what's the story? Don't swear me in.
No, it didn't sound like a 100?
100 what? Did you clear?
Oh.
Are you done? Say my name again. Yes. Do you know that I can remove you? Everything negative is going to be commanded to leave. What was that all about? What did it say to me? are going to be removed. Yes, yes. Thank you for agreeing.
Splenda.
Splenda, what? Are you done speaking?
That was weird.
Pacific. Anyone?
Hmm? What up?
It's that same guy that watched you before.
Mm-hmm.
Who are you?
Hello?
Anybody home? Can you say yes or no?
This is creepy.
Creepy?
I thought I said creepy. Yeah, I heard creepy. And I gotta give you spirits some rules here. Yeah?
Yep.
Absolutely nothing follows the equipment. Nothing attaches to the equipment. Nothing follows or attaches to our investigators. And nothing harms or touches the family here. And those are my rules, and you will follow them. Good night. The session is closed. I'm done.